What is going on, YouTube? Hidden back making another brand new crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin. We're going to cover Cardano a little bit, but we're going to spend an episode on that later today about Cardano, as well as the S&P 500. Big news coming for Bitcoin specifically, as it has just recently broken through its top resistance at $50,000. We closed yesterday the daily candle above that major resistance. So that means we are entering what could be a bullish run heading up to potentially all-time highs. This is very exciting and very thrill-seeking for people that are still currently invested into Bitcoin. We also have to look at some of the other cryptocurrencies. XRP really is just being a pain in the butt recently, and we do have to talk about that. Some slight changes have been made, especially with the way these movements have been yesterday. Yesterday, we were discussing buying in at $1.06. We have to talk about that as we were getting close to buying in, but actually saw rejection not only from XRP, but Ethereum and Cardano actually saw all rejection at the same time, which is why we haven't bought in just yet, but more information about that will be later on in today's video. Otherwise, if you guys haven't already, definitely make sure to enter the crypto coin display giveaway, completely free. All you have to do is comment your favorite cryptocurrency down below, as well as comment subscribed, as I will be checking, and if you're not subscribed, you will not win. Otherwise, guys, I do want to give a huge shout out to Coinchange for sponsoring today's episode. If you guys want to know more information about their high yield investment program, as well as their exchange program, definitely stick around to the end of today's video, as we will be going over that. Otherwise, if you are new to the channel, definitely make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash the like button, and let's jump into today's episode. All right, guys, I don't even know where to begin. There's so much to talk about within Bitcoin as well as within the other altcoins and cryptocurrencies. A quick refresh of the top 10 cryptos. You can see for the most part, everything has been consolidating except for like Bitcoin, which is up 5%, 23% over the past 7 days. But XRP and Ethereum and even like Cardano really have not been moving at all. They're actually all down in regards to how they've been performing today. And I do want to talk about that as they have been battling a major resistance level for days now, and we have yet to break through it. So I'm going to focus on Bitcoin for a little bit, and then we'll go into the other cryptos like XRP. But to start with Bitcoin, this is huge, guys. As you guys know, there has been a major descending fractal forming on this crypto, symmetrical triangle, whatever you want to call it. We've drawn an Elliott wave to help us better guide what we're going to be looking at. And as you guys know, we have bought into Bitcoin quite a couple of days ago, I think 3 or 4 days ago, where we did have this small symmetrical triangle forming on the hourly. And the day before that, we had a 4-hour triangle, which broke bullish and then consolidated back down into an even bigger hourly chart right here. You can see on the hourly, we had this major symmetrical triangle forming here, pennant flag, whatever you want to call it, which broke bullish. And we've been in this trade ever since. We haven't actually sold off. So we've been consolidating pretty much since we closed this hourly chart here, currently at about $48,500. We've been leveraging this all the way to the upside here, and it's currently trading at 52. So I'm still in the trade on Bitcoin, and I don't plan on selling it right now. I've just been slowly moving my stop loss up higher and higher. How do people do that? It's easy to do it on Bityard. All you literally have to do is just, close the position and then open a new one right immediately after. It's not that difficult. You can also use multiple exchanges if you want to leverage that crypto, but we've been in it since we broke through our symmetrical triangle right here, and we were farming even smaller ones. That has continued this path. So there has been many opportunities to buy in. Right now, we're currently heading overbought, which is only short term, as I do think we are going to slowly see prices consolidate and then head back higher. But the biggest thing within Bitcoin right now is the fact that we actually broke through this resistance here at $50,000 and closed the daily at $51,000, allowing us another opportunity to confirm that resistance has been broken and we're starting to enter this position here. So big things are coming. Obviously, stop losses have been set, but the fact that we broke through this downtrend here pretty much means not only are we going to be retesting this top resistance very close to 53,000 now that we've broken that mental barrier at 50K, but it means that we're going to be heading up potentially even higher to retest newer highs, which are closer to $55,000, then $59,000, and then all the way up to $64,000. A slow but steady breach to the upside here. Now you can see it seems like we're starting to create a new higher low pattern. Since the bounce off point A, we've been slowly creating higher low movements here. So we could expect to see another rally to the upside here, correction lower, and continue this pattern outside of the symmetrical triangle, which would be ideal. Obviously, stop losses are set much lower here, just in case we do decide to dip back down below these major resistances here. But regardless, we are still in this market and we are still in some good positions. You can see the downtrend forming on the RSI, which is now flipped bullish, and we're getting close to retesting overbought, but not just yet. So we are still in it with potential of not only retesting, which you can see currently the top resistance here, which could form what could be a double bottom, or sorry, a double top. You can see the movement right here could form an M pattern. So we're just kind of seeing how exactly this trends right here. We do have stop losses set a little bit lower in case we decide to reverse lower, but prices are still good. The fact that we closed above this resistance is a huge sign for bullish opportunity and bullish sentiment to come. Now, to talk about XRP, which I feel like a lot of you guys have questions for, I want to show you guys XRP charts, and then I do want to show you guys Ethereum as well as Cardano. I've been wanting to buy into XRP. I've also been wanting to buy into the other cryptocurrencies, and I haven't done it just yet. It's mainly just been Bitcoin. There's been small opportunities for Ethereum, which really haven't broken out bullish, or even Cardano here. You guys can see right now, to start with the Ethereum charts here, yesterday was a big movement for Ethereum. It was also a big move for Cardano here. You can see with Ethereum specifically, we were retesting what was a big rising wedge. You can see how big this massive rising wedge has formed here, with a major resistance level right at this bottom support. This bottom trend line goes continuous up, and we've been trying to break through it for days now, consolidating. We had multiple times of reattempts to retest this and try to break through, and it has done nothing but get rejected off this resistance and correct us lower consistently. We did have a small double bottom, which was the realization that we're probably going to head back up to retest this resistance, but since then we have yet to break through here. Now, yesterday was the big time of potential opportunity to buy in, what we've been waiting for. You can see all we were doing yesterday was waiting for Ethereum specifically to close its resistance level above about $3,500. We wicked up slightly and then closed back right on that resistance. What we're looking for is closure inside this resistance level, getting inside this channel here, closing closer to maybe 35.70 to 35.60, not on the resistance, because what usually happens after that is an immediate reversal down. Now, with that knowledge, we then looked at Cardano yesterday, seeing how the candle closed, which did the exact same thing. You can see the amount of uncertainty that's forming within Cardano here for days now of consolidation. We've seen major uncertainty, wicks and resistance closing above and below here, numerous attempts to try to break through this top resistance, and we've had no luck doing so. So it's been flashing big bull and bear signals here, showing signs of major uncertainty. You can see how big these wicks are in either directions, which are signs of reversal and signs of breaks to the upside here. And we've been forming at this for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days now. What we're looking for ideally is a breach above this beautiful resistance level right here. And you can see this has been going on all the way since May 15th, the middle of May. And we have had tons of resistance and problems trying to break through it. We've had this bottom support here acting as a means of allowing us to float higher and basically build some support to finally break through $2.30, closing a little bit higher, maybe at $2.37 to $2.40, somewhere in that zone above this resistance would allow us on the daily to buy in and leverage to the upside here. Once again, it tried yesterday to do so. We were so close, and we didn't. We actually managed to break above and then fall all the way back below here and close the same thing. So both of these signals gave me indication now we're not going to see much movement within XRP. Now, XRP for most people actually showed signs of potential bullish break to the upside here, with closing ever so slightly above $1.06. We actually closed at $1.08, which would have been a good sign, but immediately after that, we reversed back down today. Now, the reason I didn't buy into XRP was because of Ethereum and Cardano showing signs of both bearish rejection, which would carry on to XRP as well. Now, it's not to say we're not going to do it just yet, but I've been fairly hesitant on buying in because of the major resistances. Then when I zoomed in even closer looking at 4-hour charts, you can see a few days ago back on the 3rd, we actually showed signs of breaking through $1.06 and actually closed back here and then reversed all the way back down. Now, we didn't close it on the daily. You can see the daily, it was actually just a major wick here, which was totally fine, but it just showed that there was resistance a little bit higher. The other thing to consider is when you zoom out to the weekly here, you can see how this is merely just wicking above here, and we haven't actually closed above that resistance just yet. Looking at the daily, it showed signs of buying in. You could have, but you probably would have gotten liquidated at $1.05. But I'm not saying it's still bearish just yet. We've just been consolidating, and you can see since then I've drawn in a smaller resistance level up here at about $1.08. So we're going to allow this to consolidate. You can see it's pretty much just formed some sort of box of resistance levels that we've been kind of trending inside of here for quite some time now. So ideally, we just need to build support as well as within Cardano and Ethereum to break through this top resistance here, to confirm closing above here for the once and for all, and actually allow us to buy in and leverage to the upside here. So we've moved it now to from $1.06 to $1.08 in that zone. If you had bought in already, it's still an okay position here. We haven't confirmed a bearish break just yet. We might actually consolidate back up above here. So we have to see how exactly XRP plays out, but it's been a pain in the ass. Let me just tell you that. XRP for all for quite some time now has just shown signs of consolidation and consolidation and consolidation. Many attempts to break through here, and we still haven't. We got close yesterday, but no cigar, and it's pretty much just been leading us to retest here, and we might see this consolidation continue until we see a confirmation of Ethereum as well as Cardano break through their resistances. That will ultimately lead the XRP price to break through that as well. Otherwise, guys, that's pretty much going to wrap up today's video, guys. Big things to come within Bitcoin. Hopefully this influences these other cryptos like Ethereum and XRP and Cardano to move with it as well to break through, but until then, we're still going to just be waiting to buy in for XRP. It's mainly just been a good trade on Bitcoin that we've entered and are now longing. Hi guys, I want to give a shout out to Coinchange for sponsoring today's episode. As you know, obviously there are dozens of cryptocurrency platforms as of today used by millions of people. However, despite the harsh contest, DeFi platforms continue to emerge and each offers something even newer. Today we'll speak of an emerging yield farming aggregator that has something special to offer to its users. It's called Coinchange. So guys, Coinchange is a fintech platform that allows to earn high passive income up to 25% annually from cryptocurrencies and stablecoins. This digital asset management company was founded in 2018 in Toronto, Canada, and is currently licensed in 35 US states. Very, very, very cool. So Coinchange brings the basic principles of DeFi investing and crypto asset management practices to the general public and tries to make everyone a successful investor in the decentralized finance space. Their proprietary software basically chooses the best and safest yields in decentralized space. So the main idea of the platform is that they provide safe and regulated yield of 10 to 30% annually, which traditional finance struggles to do. Now, the platform offers regulated, automated, and professionally designed strategies to generate high and safe returns. Most recently, Coinchange announced the launch of a high-yield account service where one may deposit USD, convert it to USDT, and start earning yield on it instantly. Now, the company uses unique algorithms which track over 100 DeFi protocols. These protocols include Aave, Uniswap, 1inch, Compound, and others, and they automatically determine the strategy with maximum profitability and minimum risks. And withdrawals are possible at any time with no lockup, so that is definitely a good option for people that don't like to lock liquidity in for usually a year. Now, the platform is also a second product, a trade account, which is a little bonus for users who don't own crypto and they want to buy it or want to buy more of it. Currently, trade account offers early bird access where users don't pay trading fees, spread fees, deposit fees, and even withdrawal fees. This is very cool. Now, the early bird access is active until the 15th of October, so you really don't have much time. So hurry up if you want to trade without any fees at all. And Coinchange trade account uses something called smart order routing, an algorithm that provides the best digital asset price and execution based on order books aggregated from multiple exchanges. Now, they partnered, guys, with Huobi, Kraken, Bittrex, Binance, and Coinbase, so it's very cool that they have all these major partnerships. And the wallets used by Coinchange are presented by Fireblocks. The company provides multi-signature wallets with strong encryption. Fiat money transactions are protected by Silvergate Bank. Users get real-time notifications about all actions associated with their account as well. And on top of that, another partner is Cloudflare. It is responsible for protecting the platform from DDoS attacks. Both fiat and crypto transactions, as well as other actions, are checked via the fraud detection control that prevents suspicious activity on the account. And users are also recommended to enable the two-factor authentication that prevents strangers from accessing their account. So guys, if you want to earn passive income on your crypto and this yield farming aggregator interests, then you definitely need to make sure to check them out, as I have put their links in the description. And definitely make sure to do your own research before you sign up. Obviously, you want to check this out for yourself and gather a little more insight. Also, guys, remember, first-time platform users will also receive a $40 in USDC as a welcome bonus, so definitely make sure to check that out as well. And then otherwise, definitely make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.